Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have your paper and tools. Now make the first fold so the envelope fits the gift card snugly. Fold the trimmed 5 by 7 sheet in half at 4.25, and press the crease with a bone folder to create a sharp center line. Once done, place the card on the lower half, leaving a 1/2 margin below to form the pocket. This margin prevents the card from sliding out. Make small pencil marks at card corners to guide your next cuts and folds. Now you'll shape the pocket and permanently secure the sides so the card won't fall out. First, cut 2 small slits where the side marks meet the bottom margin and fold those resulting tabs up. Scoring the pocket fold makes a cleaner fold. Next, run a thin line of glue along each tab and press them to the inside of the front panel, holding briefly so the bond sets. Make sure the pocket opening remains centered and test with the card before moving to decoration. You're at the finish line. Fold the top flap over the pocket, checking for even overlap so the card slides in easily. If you want closure, trim a small notch or add a 1/4 paper band that wraps around. This helps keep the flap secure and looks neat. For decoration, layer washi tape or a small sticker. Make sure adhesives don't obstruct the pocket. If edges misalign or glue seeps out, let it dry. Then trim excess and repress so everything sits flat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.